Hi guys.
What's wrong? Hi.
Yes, I am excited to be here.
Fantastic.
I'm happy to be here. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy 2021. We are so glad to have you back again. So this is like our official Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year, guys. And we are the Stalwart lovers.
Yes.
If you're new here,
Yes,
we make
if you're
videos
new.
on faith, relationship, and lifestyle. My name is Michael, and this is my wife.
Name is Faith.
Faith, yes. So it's been an amazing year, and it's going to be a wonderful year for us all. 2020 was super amazing. It had its ups and downs.
Yeah.
But when you count your blessings and you don't say your blessings don't count. So there are many fantastic things, amazing things you can look back to, that happened in 2020. So we just want to have a chit chat with you guys about 2020 in retrospective and 2021. Looking forward to it and plans and all that.
We want to thank you so much, guys. Like, apart from that, before I even go there, 2020 was the year we got married. And that's one thing I'm super grateful for. I mean, change of life. I'm sure if you watch the video of our fears before getting married, you will have seen some of those fears. And the truth is that now it wasn't even worth all the fears. Those fears were not worth it, yeah. So it's been the total opposite of what I thought or what I feared about. I guess. I want to use this little opportunity to say a very big and hearty thank you. Thank you guys so much. We love you so much. Thank you to our Stalwart fam.
In fact, the love has been so real,
so amazing,
and we really experienced such love, such warmth from you guys. The comments, the subscription, and a lot of comments in our DM. Those that refuse to comment on video, there's DM.
There's WhatsApp. You see, there's WhatsApp. There's Instagram.
But we still love you.
Be better in 2021.
Yes, drop those comments on the videos instead. But we appreciate them. We really thank you for spending your time to watch our videos and of course learning from them and also sharing these videos. We're really grateful. Thank you so much. You guys made 2020 awesome for us. Actually.
Yes. And now we are at when we are shooting this video, we are at 789.
Close to 800 subscribers. So let's get it to 1K, guys. We need 1K subscribers.
Guys, we need you guys.
We can do this.
We can do this.
Same Stalwart fam.
We've come this far. It's 2021. Let's get to 1K subscribers.
Alright, so let's just jump right into the video. We just want, as I said, we just want to have a chit chat with you on how the year is going for us, and of course last year as well. So getting married has been awesome. And adds its own experiences. Having somebody in your space for 24 hours.
I'm literally
in my nose. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 30 days a month. Every time, everywhere I go, there's a human being there. Sometimes I just look at her lying down on the bed. I'm like, you are always there.
But it's like a good thing, no?
Yes, if you're with someone that you're happy with, I think it's an amazing thing. And that's why I always say that marry somebody that, marry your best friend or befriend who you marry. Your lifetime is too long for you to not be happy. So it's been amazing with you, to be honest. I appreciate every time. Please, thank you. Me a fair coloring. I don't want coloring on my lips. Thank you, but I'll take the kiss later when you have wiped.
You're not serious.
But honestly speaking, it's been amazing spending life with my babe here. Every single day has been a hit back to back. Happiness, I'm serious, joy all the way. We kill negativity as it hot. As it's dropping, we kill it. We want to stay happy, and then God has always been there for us.
Yeah.
Despite all that's happened in 2020, COVID-19, a lot of NSAS, a lot of movements in Nigeria that could really, disturb our mental state. God has really helped us to remain sane.
Yeah.
To remain sane in Nigeria is a blessing, it's a miracle, it's a testimony. So mentally we think that we're actually balanced, except for stress from work. Occasionally when I work too much, it really puts me out of balance sometimes. I just take some time to rest. But when it comes to what we expose our minds to, the information out there, we just screen it. Because we're not ready to stress ourselves, Yeah.
So.
But how do you think we've been doing spiritually?
Well, spiritually, God has been amazing. We have been enjoying our relationship with God. Let me just put it that way. It has been awesome. We are in a good state. I believe so. I believe we are in a good state. We are strong in God. Although 2020, of course, there were some here and there, maybe sometimes you won't pray in the morning.
Anyway, so the thing is this year, I feel like, while yes, we are balanced, but the thing is there's always more. And that's how I feel. So for me, spiritually this year, I want to go for more. Whatever I think I've done well spiritually last year, whatever we think we've done well, we just want to go for more. Yes. And be more consistent.
There is more.
Yeah, be more consistent, be more prayerful, spend more time with the Word of God. Oftentimes you can get lost in activities and work and sleep and church, and you miss out on the important things. So that's what we're trying to do this year, spiritually. What about physically?
I know a lot of you used to say, Sister Faye is getting chubbier, Sister Faye is getting fatter. If you understand what I mean. Anyway, I feel physically, I want to say spiritually. I feel physically we are okay with how we are.
Continue.
Sorry. we are okay with how we are looking. I mean, although the bellies, the cheeks. But I think we are kind of blossoming into how we are supposed to be. I like to see it that way.
Yes, the Sister Bay that I used to know was a leper, slim lady kind of a thing. But my Sister Bay now is a voluptuous.
I'm not voluptuous.
Are you not voluptuous?
Just a little. I'm just a little above slim. I'm not that fat.
You're not. No, you're not fat. No, you ain't fat. But the thing is, physically we have enlarged.
Yeah.
Oh, that down might enlarge my coast.
Like we actually got bigger in 2020, and it's so annoying. My dresses.
Story time, guys. There was an event that we had, like a dinner sort of event last year, and we thought about, what are we going to wear for this event? And I'm like, okay, I'll wear this shirt, that jacket, and like, my wife was like, I'll wear that my reception dress.
I don't even know why in heaven or yet. I don't know why on earth I actually thought that dress besides me. Like for real.
See, my
reception dress. Really?
The dress that she wore on our wedding day, can you imagine? So, we were about to leave, started dressing up, and she asked me to zip her up. And that's how the zip hung. Hung.
In fact, even wearing the dress, I started realizing that, oh no. Like, seriously. The zip could not pass my bum bum.
The zip just stuck at the bum bum. Like, the Lord has enlarged.
Should I even show them in the camera? It was like,
you have to show them bum bum in the camera.
Here.
No, I will cut it. I will cut it.
I'm not showing them, but I'm wearing a jeans.
I will cut it. It's too close to the camera. I want the brothers to be looking at your curve. I'll cut it. So, sit very well. Don't be here. That's how the zip hung. I was like, see, babe, there's no magic that can make this zip go upper than this.
I mean, it was just crazy.
We had to look for an alternative on time to get a new dress. So the Lord has enlarged us physically. To be honest, we are very, very grateful for this enlargement. And we are okay with it. A lot of people have passed body comments. Let me not call it body shaming.
No.
They've called it body comments. You, this man, your stomach is getting big. I'm like, I'm trying to be like you. Because most people that tell me my stomach is getting big, they are my forefathers. They are my forefathers, But we sincerely love how we are physically. What we're trying to do is make sure we're physically fit.
Yeah.
And which we always take walks, long walks every night, every evening. In fact, tonight we're still going to have our walk. Yeah, so physically we're doing fantastic. What about emotionally?
Emotionally, we've actually not also been doing bad. I mean, I feel like most of these things we start with by saying we've not been doing bad, we've not been doing bad. But there has actually been things in 2020. Let me just jump straight to the point. There have actually been things in 2020, things that it's just between us and God. Like, we cannot even tell people. We can't voice out. Things that will take us to bed at night and we just close our eyes, put our head on the pillow, and nobody knows what we are saying. But we are really burdened about. We are maybe sometimes we even get stressed about it. People get anxious about some of those things.
In fact, sometimes I thought I was a tough guy, like nothing can move me and all that. But I realized that on the particular matter that we're trusting God for, it just gets to me because it's like a promise that God has given us for many years, and we've been praying about it. And we just feel like, God, this year is our year. This year is our year for the fulfillment of your word. You know, and there's a difference between be anxious for nothing and in everything we pray as supplication, make your request known unto God. But gradually that be anxious for nothing, that's the one we like. It's that anxious that we like. So I realized I was just getting anxious, and it just gets my mood down. Like, God, when will this thing happen? And then my wife is always there to encourage me and tell me if God has said it, then God will do it. And then we trust God that very soon we'll have a testimony on that. All right. So it's been like this for us. Although God has helped us to be balanced. Occasionally we just have a little downtime, but God has always kept us up.
And it's because we are humans. I mean,
we are only humans. Also, I realized people are offending me too much. Earlier this year, I don't know what's causing it, but I've already gone past that, and I've stabilized myself. You know, when you are imbalanced emotionally, little things from people will get to you. But when you find your balanced state, your state of equilibrium, then it's easier for you to walk by offenses. So I mean, I had that challenge, and I've been able to walk past it as well.
Congratulations.
Eshe. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. So guys, I think we've said enough. We just wanted to jump in here and give you a little chat. We actually have videos ready for you guys, but we feel let's just have a little Happy New Year chat and tell you what's going on in our lives.
We actually discussed 2 video ideas.
Yes, but we would release them maybe in coming weeks. For now, we just wanted to familiarize with you. So how are you guys doing? Let's know in the comment section. You know, after a year being, what are you stabilizing in your life? Like, I had to stabilize my emotions. You know, just take an assessment of yourself. Check out what are the things you need to check. You know, like, okay, I need to get better here. I need to reduce on this and stuff like that. Let's know some of them that you are willing to, that you're open. Are you open to share? Let's just get along. I mean, we always respond to all our comments if they come on time. You know, if you comment on very old videos, it might be challenging for us to know that you've dropped your comment. But if you're an active watcher and you comment early, we would definitely reply you, like your comments and all that. So thank you so much for the love once again. We appreciate you. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, subscribe if you have not,
and share
with your loved ones.
So to become a more again,
keep loving
and keep believing.
We are the Stalwart Lovers. Peace out.
Peace.